This is a large home situated in Royal Bahamian Estates. The property benefits from a living and dining area, kitchen, den, landscaped yard, and 2 master ensuite bedrooms. There's also an office, security screens, hurricane shutters, and more. This home is nicely decorated and also features a storage and a laundry room.
With Royal Banker James Styles Realty, your estate agent and rental specialist here on the beautiful island of Grand Bahama. If you enjoyed this listing, give me a call and I'll help you with this, or I'll give you more information on any others that you're interested in. Thank you.